Here at the Vatican Museum, Osmos Europa 2000s, but sadly the buttons got replaced inside. No. Oh. Oh well. This is great though. Otis Europa 2000. No year, which is interesting. Yeah, that's an odd arrow. I don't. It's such a shame the buttons got replaced though. Well, that sounds nice. Oh, such a shame about the buttons. Ooh, hydraulic. Such a shame about the buttons, but that outside button, amazing. Europa 2000. Something I never thought I'd see again. This is the Vatican Museum, by the way. Such an awesome lift. Even if it's only hydraulic, still awesome. Oh, I love that shine. I thought I'd make this video.